Welcome back to the channel, baby. It's your boy, Kenny versus Poverty and the Poverty Cameraman.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
We are finally doing the unboxing of my first New Balance. So, without further ado, we're gonna get to it. But I do want to say I've had these joints for a minute, but I didn't get the New Balance 550s. I didn't get the one that everybody wants that you can buy for under like $120 and they're selling for over $200. I got some special collab New Balances that I thought was gonna go crazy. I knew the buying process was too easy. You know what I'm saying? I done tried to get some 550s like 6 times before, and each time I get to the checkout process, they're already sold out. Right? Mind you, the 550 is some pretty ugly ass shoes. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. I ain't gonna lie to you. I don't like them at all. Like these, I would wear these. Those, I don't understand what's going on with those, but the price is going crazy. And you know, that's what we in the game to do, man. Make a little bit of profit so we can get the shoes that we really want to get. So, this is the New Balance box. And before we get into the New Balance box, we're gonna get into the box that we was waiting on. This box right here is the box that we were waiting on. Some more shoes that wasn't really hype, man. And this is how you know. If a shoe releases on sneakers and it doesn't instantly sell out, all right, it's kind of a sleeper. It's there for the whole day. Man, don't nobody want these, huh? It's there for 2 days. Oh, no, don't nobody want them, bruh. Go ahead and get to the next release. So, these came in and I'm gonna get the box open so my man here can show you what they look like. I do want to say though, the inconspicuous Nike app boxing is very much appreciated, man. It's definitely gonna help us not get robbed. Think so? Woo!
Look at that.
Woo!
Look at the bird. LFC.
What's LFC stand for?
I don't know. It says Nike Air Huarache PRMOS, whatever.
LFC stand for Liverpool Football Club.
Huh.
Woo!
That's a clean box.
Look at the, hold on.
Wrapping paper.
Before you get into the wrapping paper, look at the lines. The little striations that they got on there. This box, hey look, this box is cleaner than a lot of Jordan boxes. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? They got yeah, man. This box is pretty clean.
Let's open them up. They got the double wrapping paper.
Uh-oh, 2 layers of wrapping paper. What are those?
Look at this shoe.
What are those? What are those? What are
It
those?
matches the wrapping paper.
Hold on, let me see. Get the other one. Look, so they did the Liverpool colored wrapping paper. Ooh.
What is that?
I think you can replace this. Look. Look at this.
It's a... And then you can...
Come on now. You can replace the... Oh, yeah. Nike's going crazy with these little replaceable tabs.
Oh, you can replace this also. I was wondering where the square thing went.
Ooh. So look. On the Liverpool Huaraches, you can replace...
Dad, and it looks like it has the bird on it. That's awesome.
So you can replace the tongue tag and the rear Nike tag.
Air.
Come on. Ooh, that is hard. Yeah, that's hard. That's hard, bro. This little yellow stripe. Ooh, this is like a nylon. It's like nylon on the toe but then the leather comes back right here. But this is my thing, right? Because these aren't selling for as much as what they smell like. These aren't selling for as much as I thought they were gonna sell for. I thought I would be able to make
awesome. Look inside of it.
Be able to make like a quick $20, and I still may be able to. I don't know yet. But I was like, well, it's my size, right? So, you know what I'm saying? I add these to the collection.
12.
Yeah, come on, man. I can add these to the collection easy, but I don't see these like getting dirt on them and then you being able to get the dirt off. Like I'm looking at the shoe.
It's very white.
Man, these joints could get dirt in places that you like if this little liner around the nylon get dirty, bro, how you gonna clean that?
Man, you gonna have a dirty shoe.
Yeah, how you gonna? These joints are crazy though. I mean, these are way doper in hand.
YNWA.
Yeah, I don't know what YNWA means.
Me neither.
Young Negroes of Washington.
You forgot the A and there's no O.
Young Negroes, and then the O is silent, of Washington. But look, these are wild, guys.
Yeah, they're definitely the coolest Huaraches I've seen.
Yeah, these are, and then this part right here.
Yeah, it goes all the way to the back
Right?
of the shoe.
It's actually raised. So it's not imprinted inside of the material, it's raised. So they printed the red in some type of like plastic or something on top of the nylon mesh.
It got the red nylon on the back.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. These are crazy. These are pretty crazy. All right, guys, let's get to the main event.
Dun-dun-dun.
These people came for walking. These shoes was made for talking.
Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. What color? That is a good. Ooh. Look at the black.
Wait, so we gotta give some respect. We gotta give some respect to the box.
Yeah, that's a fly box.
We gotta give some respect. First of all, the color. The color pattern that they use with this like bluish
And it has like
gray
gold on the bottom.
and then they got the silver New Balance with the gold color on the back. Demonstrate. All right, man. But Dad, I just want to see the shoes, Dad.
Hey,
I want to see the
don't
shoes.
put no smut.
Hey, come on, man. Come on.
Ooh.
Come on, man.
3 laces.
Come on,
the yellow,
man.
the purple, and the green.
Come on, man.
Look at the S.
Look, show them that sneakers and stuff.
What material is that?
These are the sneakers and stuff collab on the
It already comes with a fly.
These are the sneakers and stuff
The inside has a purple in.
collab on the 574 New Balance.
This is a fly shoe.
Come on,
Look
man.
at the bottom.
Come on, man. Look at first like look, that's crazy.
There's a whole bunch of different materials.
Yes, sir. How they did the
everywhere.
suede with the neck suede, but with the purple
Look at the
end
color of the
and then the
tongue.
green end. And they gave you the extra tan laces to get your tan on.
All on the inside is purple.
Oh yeah, they definitely gave you your purple laces to get your purple on.
Yeah, this is an insane shoe. Yeah, New Balance right there.
They got the insole coming up a little bit, so I'll show you guys the purple insole if you can see that. Yeah, these joints.
You're supposed to be pulling out the insole.
Yeah, you are. That's how they authenticate a lot of the. That's how they authenticate a lot of the shoes. Do you smell the difference between like the Nike smells and
it smells like new shoe,
but it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't smell like the Jordans. And so now you starting to understand that the newer shoes have different smell patterns. This upper leather area is crazy because it goes from, so back here, right? You got your normal New Balance, like mid-sole, keep your foot secure area right there. But then it gets real big and chunky right here. Maybe for like extra heel padding.
This is kind of like an electric yellow type.
Bro, those would be crazy in there. I don't know who would put these, but those would be crazy. It matches the SNS print and the New Balance. I would probably go with this green in one shoe and this purple in the other shoe.
Oh, I didn't even think about putting different laces.
Oh, come on, man. You know what I'm saying? You got to freak it sometime. You got to freak it. So what do you guys think of the sneakers and stuff 574s?
Look at the bottom of it. It goes tan, like lighter green.
That's true. They did a color build-up.
Yeah, that's a fly shoe. Yeah.
You guys see those? So these originally were going for a lot more. The price has definitely dropped a bunch. So I don't know if these are as hype as maybe they were anticipated to be. But the fact that sneakers and stuff got a collab of the New Balance, and then they got the shoes.
New Balance SNS running.
That's right, because it's a running shoe. So whereas like Jordans and Nikes are considered basketball shoes.
So what happens when you're running like this and then it creases right there and you don't want it right there?
Well, what are you talking about? You talking about, but the only people that's worried about the shoe creasing right there are the people that are wearing their shoe for fashion instead of for running or for basketball or for whatever it was used for.
Oh, so this is just like
so it's only the people that use the shoe for fashion that are worried about it creasing right there. But do you think that somebody is really going to buy a New Balance collab special edition sneaker to go running in? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know how the running community does it, but I can tell you.
What is end cap?
I don't know. End cap may be a special technology like Boost, like Adidas have Boost, that keeps your shoe comfortable. So it encapsulates the comfort inside of it, because that's what I'm saying. The insole on the inside is raised more than I think it usually would be, and I think the end cap is an added comfort technology that they put in there. Yeah, they put added comfort on the inside.
Yeah.
So
just feel the inside of the purple.
That's what I'm saying. It gets chunky right there. You know what I'm saying? It gets chunky right here, and then they put I feel like more padding, the end cap, on the inside of here. So, without further ado, guys, these are the Sneakers and Stuff 574s. We showed you guys the Liverpool Huaraches. You guys tell us what you think. Matter of fact, before we go,
I don't know which one I like better. The Huaraches or these.
Tell me which one you like better. The New Balance 574 Sneakers and Stuff collab, or the Nike Huarache Liverpool joints. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. Before you go, be sure to like, share, subscribe, tap in with your boy for content like this. Let me know what y'all think, man. Let me know how the poverty cameraman is doing on this side of the camera. What y'all think about my man's pajamas? Stuff like that. All right, man. Without further ado, we out. Have a nice rest of your day. Have a blessed one. We'll see you guys soon.